Let me see. You playing music? Does that make noise? Oh, wow. Doesn't that hurt your hand? You're good at that. Where's your xylophone? Oh, boy. Oh, it's right. No, right. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Here we go. Play me a song. Play me a song. You like that one on there? Pretty.
Good job.
So pretty. Oh. He plays in it like a slide guitar. Oh, so good. Hi. You know how to sing? Hmm? There's the kitty cat. Hi, kitty cat. Oh, Kitty not going to play with you right now.
Let's go back over here.
Oh, let's see. Grandma play. Let's see Grandma play. You want to do it like that? You rub it down. Singing.